Mga kababayan, sinabi na po ni Antonio Trillanes sa isang interview that he has been working with the ICC since 2017. Pakinggan po natin ang sinabi niya.
Hindi ko ikinaila na since 2017 nakikipag-ugnayan ako sa ICC, pagkalap ng ebidensya, testigo, at lahat ng kailangan gawin para palakasin yung kaso laban kay Duterte. Yun po yun.
So there you go, we were able to establish that. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang statement ng isang congressman na hindi naman binoto ng kanyang mga constituents pero idineklarang nanalo siya. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear Congressman Abante.
Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, gusto kong itanong sana dito kay Senator Trillanes if he is working for the ICC. Are you working for the ICC, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po,
You are not.
hindi po, Mr. Chairman.
But you are connected with the ICC.
Opo, by virtue of being the first to
So, Mr.
to file.
Chair.
Yes.
This man who used to be a part of the armed forces that should be a patriot in this country has been conniving with the ICC in this country.
Now, it's very clear, sinabi ni Congressman Abante, that this person pointing to Antonio Trillanes, who used to be part of the armed forces, has been conniving with the ICC in this country. And now, to this current time, the lead counsel, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman of the defense of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, is contemplating in asking the court for disclosure that why an assistance coming from a man with a checkered past was entertained. So, parang maganda ang development dito. And then later on, we will hopefully know the result of the request coming from the defense. And then, eventually, parang tahi-tahiin natin lahat ba? And then, magkakaroon talaga ng bigger picture as to the involvement of Antonio Trillanes and the implication therein.